In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Shopify store to another account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each choice means, and a few best practices to keep the handover smooth and secure. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin from Shopify's website. Make sure you're logged in as the current store owner, since only the owner can initiate a transfer. It's also smart to pause major changes during this process and let the new owner know you're about to start, so they can watch for the confirmation email. From your admin, head to Settings, typically located at the bottom left of the dashboard. This is your control center for account and store level preferences. Once you're in Settings, open the General section. Depending on your view, this is where your store and organization details live. Scroll down until you see the area labeled Organization and Store Transfer. This section is specifically designed for ownership changes and related administrative controls. Click Manage. You'll land on a page that gives you options for how you want to hand off ownership. Choose Transfer Store to a new owner outside your business. This option is for moving your store to someone who isn't currently part of your organization. If you're selling your store or moving it to a different business entity, this is the right choice. Shopify may display notes about the implications here. Things like how billing, app charges, and domain management can shift to the new owner after the transfer is accepted. Take a moment to read any prompts so you understand what will change. Click. Continue to proceed. This is your chance to double check that you're ready. If you have active subscriptions, custom apps, or third-party integrations, it helps to let the new owner know what's in place so there are no surprises later. When prompted, enter the new owner's email address and click Transfer. Shopify will send an email to that address with instructions to accept the transfer. Until they accept, you remain the store owner and can manage a pending handoff from your admin if needed. Once the recipient accepts, they'll become the new owner and gain owner-level controls and responsibilities. That's the full process. To wrap up smoothly, keep communication open with the recipient so they know to check their inbox and confirm. Consider sharing a short handover note covering key apps, domains, and any important operating details. And if you're the recipient, review billing, permissions, and settings after acceptance to ensure everything's aligned with your business. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your store transfer.